Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Begin by closing the application. Next, open the Start menu on your computer. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel is open, navigate to the Programs section. Click on Programs and Features to see a list of installed applications. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Right-click on Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Select Uninstall from the context menu. Follow the prompts to confirm the uninstallation process. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once uninstalled, you can close the control panel. To uninstall the Power BI services, open your web browser. Go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center by signing in with your administrator account. In the Admin Center, locate the Groups section in the left-hand menu. Click on Active Groups and find the relevant group associated with Power BI. Select the group to view its settings. Choose Settings from the options available. Look for the Microsoft Power BI toggle and switch it off. This action will disable the Power BI services for your organization. Confirm any prompts that may appear to finalize the changes. Once completed, you can log out of the Admin Center. By following these steps, you can successfully uninstall both Microsoft Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.